how to report a problem with your item on Wayfair. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can report a problem with your item on Wayfair. Of course, you can encounter some issues with your item, and if you add some issues, the best way is to contact the customer service. You can reach out to Wayfair customer service through various channels. And how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Wayfair account, of course, just like I have done here. And then after that, move to the top right corner and click on the account icon. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of options here, such as my account, my others, list, review my purchases, recently viewed, help, and contact. So just click on help and contact. After clicking on help and contact, you would be redirected to your help centers page. Okay, and so once you're on this page, you would see you'd wait for it to load, and then once that's loaded, you will see a list of topics here with articles that have addressed such concerns and such topics. And so you can see some self-service actions here, such as replace a damaged item, start a return, track your package, manage email subscription. So if you would like to report the item that you purchased, you can just click on this way. But if you do not want to do that, you can just check through these options here, and then you can now see problem with an order. So you can just select this, and then on this page you can see the different kind of issues. So you have to select the one you fall under here, and then by clicking on the one you fall under, you'll be redirected to a page where you will see articles that address such question. But if perhaps amongst the options here you could not find the one that you fall under, the only thing that you can do is to move to the bottom right part of the page and click on contact us, so that you can reach out to the customer service directly, and you would get your answer as swift as possible. So you can see, after clicking on contact us, you can now see what can we help you with: an existing order, my account, or payment. You can just decide to click on my existing order, or you can move to the bottom right corner where you can see Wayfair's virtual assistant, so you can contact the virtual assistant, or you can just move to the left side of the screen where you can see hours of operation, customer service, and you can make a call to any of the contacts that will be displayed here, as long as you're within the time. In my time zone, they are currently closed, and so the numbers are not displayed. But if they are open, you'll be able to call them, or you can just reach out to the customer support, or you can click on an existing order, and then you'll be able to send an email to them, and you definitely get a response. So this is it. All right, this is how you can report a problem with an order on Wayfair. Thank you for watching, and have a swift response.